Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80072F8F, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next solution is to reset Windows Update component. So we have a script. Simply copy that script and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and then finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.